Hi, my name is Stacy Savejo. I'm the workshop director here at GObike. Just telling you a little bit about what we do here at the GObike Community Workshop. During non-pandemic times, we're a place where our members can bring their bicycles and we teach them how to fix their own bicycles. Our main focus is on education and empowering people to be able to fix their bikes themselves. Currently, with the COVID restrictions, etc., we're more focused on kind of normal bike shop activities. Folks can go to our website, gobikebuffalo.org, and book an appointment for us to do a repair for them, or they can browse our stock of refurbished bikes that we have online. Everything that we do have and sell is used, so it's fairly affordable. We try our best to keep, our stock on there, but it's been quite a challenge. Also during this time, we try to do as much as we can helping our community, so sometimes you'll see us out at community events or farmers markets doing mobile repair for folks, and helping people out in that way when we can't quite invite people inside yet.